We're gonna be doing good to get to the White Steak. I think I can get there.
Yeah. Way down there.
You got it.
That's a good ball.
Yeah, it's
That's
working
a
left.
Good ball. Good ball, Jimmy.
Good.
Right down the middle.
Woo! You smoked that one, boy.
Yeah, good ball.
Find him up.
Good ball.
That means I got to
Yep.
swing
I
hard.
remember another Stephen story. He was,
Yes,
I don't know who sang it, but he was singing that song, Hold Me in Your Arms and Say, oh, let's go all the way. And he said he was singing it in his house and his mama got all upset. Stephen, you shouldn't be talking like that. Obviously, she didn't know what a reprobate he was.
There you go.
Woo!
That'll run.
That's pretty.
That'll run.
Run
That's
like
two
you
good
stole
balls.
something.
Oh, look at that. Hit it by Jimmy.
That's two good balls right there, buddy. Woo, good Lord.
Tommy's been playing him some golf.
It takes me about 37 holes to get warmed up, then I'm too tired.
I know about that.
Jimmy's gonna be better shape because it's way to the right.
I don't even see it. Oh, there it is. Be more in line with the green.
Do it, Richard.
Oh,
Whoa, get out of
you boys
here.
playing some golf now, I'm telling you.
Get out
Get
of here.
y'all.
Get out of here, boy.
Hit Joe.